Hello everyone. Today I will explain chapter 2 of class 7th, fraction and decimal. Fraction and decimal. First of all, I will explain fraction. A fraction is represented by two numbers on top of each other separated by a line. The number on top is the numerator and the number below is denominator. Example 3 by 4, 2 by 5. Numerator equal to 3, denominator equal to 4. Decimal. Decimal numbers are used to represent numbers that are smaller than the unit 1 r. Any number so with a decimal point a number based upon tenth or hundredth 0.2, 0.375, 86.4, it is a decimal number. Now we will discuss about exercise 2.1. Now solve first question solve 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 minus 3 by 5 2 minus 3 by 5 means we will write here 2 minus 3 by 5, 2 minus 3 by 5. Clear? So here is denominator is 1. First of all we will take LCM. LCM of 1 and 5 equal to 5. Clear? 5 LCM. Denominator divided by denominator. 1 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10. Minus 5 1 ja 5. 3. 10 minus 3 equal to 7 by 5. It is answer of first question. Here is plus. Same process, but here we have done subtract. Here we will discuss about addition. Solution 4 plus 7 by 8 means LCM is 8. 8 4 ja 32 plus 7 equal to 39 by 8. Clear? Second question of this exercise, arrange the following in descending order. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So first of all we will write question and first of all you take LCM of denominator. LCM 9, 3, 21 equal to 9, 3, 21. LCM 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 3 1 ja 3, 7 1 ja 7. 3 into 3 into 7, 63. LCM is 63 means we will make denominator 63. Or we can do we have two methods. We can do multiply by 63 of this fraction and we can make इट्स मीन डिनोमिनेटर को हम लोग सेम करेंगे पहले 2 by 9 या 63 कॉमा 2 by 3 to 63 9 7 जा 7 2 जा 14. Descending order means ascending means smallest to greatest, descending means greatest to smallest. तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। (42) क्लियर, कॉमा 24, कॉमा 14। तो 42 इट इज अ वैल्यू ऑफ 2/3, 24 it is the value of 21, 8/21, last is 2/9, means greatest to smallest. 42, 24, 14, 2/3, 8/21, 2/9. Clear to you? Next question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 hole 1/2 centimeter long and 10 hole 2/3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So here is length is given, breadth is given, means 12 to the 24 or 125/2 centimeter, and 10 3 is 30, 32/3 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle, perimeter, we know that formula 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Put the value 2, take LCM of 2 and 3, 6, 2 3 is 6, 25 3 is 75, 3 2 is 6, 64, 2 into 9, 2 3 is 6, 139/3. We can change in mixed fraction also. 3 4 is 12, 3 divided by 139, 3 6 is 46 whole 1/3 centimeter. It is a answer. Student, exercise 2.2. In first question, which of the drawing A to D show? So first question, 2 into 1/5. 2 into 1/5 means 2/5. Means denominator is show the part and numerator show how much part is there. 2/5, 2/5, तो 2 ये शो कर रहा है कि आप इसमें देखिए कि 2 फिगर, वेयर इज 2 फिगर, तो बी देयर इज आल्सो 2, देयर इज आल्सो 2 फिगर. 1/5, तो डिनोमिनेटर इज शो द पार्ट मीन्स 5 पार्ट. आप ये देखेंगे कि किस फिगर में 5 पार्ट है. यहाँ देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 पार्ट, 1 2 3 4 5 पार्ट इज देयर. और 1 ये शो कर रहा है कि 5 पार्ट इज देयर बट ओनली 1 पार्ट इज कलर. क्लियर. तो यहाँ देखिए 2 into 1/5 मीन 2 फिगर इज देयर, 5 पार्ट इज देयर और एक एक कलर क्या है, एक एक बॉक्स आपका कलर है. यानी इसका पहले का क्या है, डी वाला. 2 into 1/2 सेकेंड वन, 2 into 2 मतलब 2 फिगर. यहाँ देखिए 2 फिगर इज देयर. क्लियर. 1/2 यानी 2 पार्ट, देखो 2 पार्ट और 1 मीन्स एक पार्ट, ओनली 1 पार्ट इज कलर, 1 पार्ट इज कलर यानी सेकंड वन. 3 into 2/3, 3 पार्ट इज देयर, 1 2 3 1 2 3 और 2/3 यानी 2 पार्ट उसके क्या होने चाहिए, कलर. तो यहाँ देखिए 1 2 1 2 1 2, थर्ड वन ए और फोर्थ वन सी. मीन्स फर्स्ट डी, सेकंड वन बी, थर्ड वन ए और फोर्थ वन सी. सिंपल. थर्ड वन, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Means you do multiply 7 into 3/5, तो 7 3 जा 21/5. रिड्यूस टू लोवेस्ट फॉर्म, अभी लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में तो रिड्यूस होगा नहीं, इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर दीजिए. 5 4 जा 20 यानी 4 होल 1/5. थर्ड सेम प्रोसेस, तो 2 इंटू 6/7, 2 6 जा 12/7, 7 1 जा 5, here also same, 5 2 जा 10/9, 9 1 जा 9, 1 whole 1/9. 2.3 exercise 2.3, find 1/4 of a part, 1/4 of means multiply, 1/4 half 1/4, तो 1/4 multiple 1/4 equal to 1/16. B1 1/4 of 3/5 means 1/4 multiple 3/5, तो 3 1 जा 3, 4 5 जा 20. C1 1/4 are 4/3, तो 1/4 multiple 4/3, 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. Clear? Third question, multiply the following fraction. Very simple question. 2/5 into 5 whole 1/4, तो इट इज इन मिक्स फ्रैक्शन, इसको प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करेंगे. इंटू 5 4 जा 20 और 1 21/4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 5 4 जा 20 इक्वल टू 22 जा 2 whole 2/20 become right also. Third one same, 3/2, 5 whole 1/3, तो 3/2 into 5 3 जा 15, 1 16/4, 16 3 जा 48, 2 3 जा 6, cancel and 8 answer. Fourth one, which is greater? Two part is there, 2/7 of 3/4 or 3/5 of 5/8. पहले दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व. 2/7 मल्टीपल 3/4 और 3/5 ऑफ 5/8, 2 3 जा 6, 7 4 जा 28, 3/5 means multiply, 3 5 जा 15, 5 8 जा 40. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई means 6 into 40, 50 into 28, 240. So which is greater? It is greater means 3/5 of 8 is greater. Means here 2/7 of 3/4 or 3/5 of 5/8. Two fraction is there. So first of all we will solve this fraction. 2/7 of 3/4 means multiply, 2 3 ja 6, 7 4 ja 28, 3 5 ja 15, 5 8 ja 40. After that cross multiply we will do. Then we will see which answer is coming maximum. This value is coming maximum, means this fraction is greater. 2.4 exercise. Solution. 12 divided by 3/4, reciprocal we will do, into 4/3, 3 4 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16. रेसिप्रोकल करने पे क्या होगा, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा और 3/4 मीन्स 4/3 भी मिल रहा है. हियर इज आल्सो 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 5/6 मीन्स 14 मल्टीपल 6/5, 14 6 जा 84, 15. इट इज आंसर. And 7/3 divided by 2, यानी 7/3 मल्टीपल 1/2, तो 7 1 जा 7, 3 2 जा 6, 4 whole 1/3 divided by 3, 3 4 जा 12, 1 13/3 मल्टीपल 1/3, 13 1 जा 13, 9. It is a answer. In exercise 2.4 only 4 5 questions is there, so 2 question I explain. other question you will do. If you have any problem, you can ask in comment box.